I didn't always have clear skin. I have dealt with breakouts and even skin tone and my skin reacting completely different depending on the weather, hot weather, cold weather, even just stress. So if you've been trying a million skincare products and still feel confused, this video is for you. This is my very simple skincare routine that has helped me calm my skin and just keep things consistent. Your skin just needs 3 basic things: cleaning, hydration, and protection. The first step is cleansing, which is basically washing your face. When I used to break out a lot, I think one of my biggest mistake was not properly cleansing my skin, especially after sweating, being outside and commuting, or even just having a long day. So I use a gentle face wash, which is the La Roche-Posay foaming cleanser, and I just apply it on my face. If your skin is sensitive like mine used to be, don't scrub. Just use gentle circular motions. Just think of it as if you're resetting your skin, not stripping it. Be gentle with your face. Don't be so rough with it unless you are doing a face scrub. So for cleansing, you can use any product that works for you, and you also have to look at your skin type. If you have oily skin, if you have normal skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, you know your skin best. So the product that works for me might not necessarily work for you, so you have to look at the product that you're buying. Also, don't buy a product that has ingredients that you cannot even pronounce. Look at the ingredients and ensure that what you're applying on your face is safe for your face. So after applying the cleanser, you go ahead and wash your face. You can let it sit for a bit, or you can just rub it for a bit longer, and then you wash your face. After drying my face, the next step that I do is toning my skin. I use rose water with glycerin because even if I have oily skin, my skin still needs hydration. So I just spray the rose water because it helps to lock in moisture so that the skin doesn't feel dry afterwards. And it's just basically a hydration step before moisturizer. This is an optional step. You don't have to do it. You can skip if you don't find it necessary. And the toner, you don't need to rub it in. You can just let it set on its own. The third step is moisturizing. I am using the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer, and this is for oily skin stroke combination skin. So you have to look at your skin type and also the product that you're buying. For oily skin, combination skin, normal skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, you could also add a sunscreen. For me, I am not using a sunscreen because I am rarely outside during the day. But when it is sunny and you know you're going to be outside, it is good to use a sunscreen or a moisturizer that has a sunscreen. So that's it for my very simple skincare routine. I also do scrubbing once or twice a week, and I also do face masks once a week. But those are very optional. This is just a daily maintenance for your skin. Cleanse, tone, moisturize.